Yo! What's up, guys? It's your updates guy, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how I make $100 a day online, straight from my room, no fancy office, no boss, no crazy startup capital. Just Wi-Fi, a laptop, and hustle. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's what I do daily, and if I can do it, you definitely can. Watch till the end and I'll show you the exact tools I use. I used to scroll endlessly, watching others make money online, thinking, is this even real? Then I stopped watching and started doing. Fast forward, I now make over $100 per day online, consistently. Let me break it down. Step 1, the method. So here's what I do. It's a combo of freelance services plus affiliate marketing. Freelance services: I offer simple services on sites like Fiverr and Upwork, like writing, voiceovers, or even video editing using free tools like CapCut or Canva. You don't need to be an expert, just better than someone who's never done it. Even if I charge $15 per gig and do 7 gigs a day, boom, that's $100 plus. Affiliate marketing: I also promote digital products on platforms like Digistore24 or System.io. When someone buys through my link, I earn a commission. I post short videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts with a call to action. If the product pays $40 per sale, I only need 2 to 3 buyers a day. That's it. Step 2, tools I use. Here are the tools I use daily to keep things simple and fast. CapCut, to edit my short videos. Canva, for my Fiverr thumbnails and social posts. ChatGPT, to generate content ideas and scripts. System.io, to build free landing pages and email lists. To shorten my affiliate links. Literally everything I use is free or has a free plan. Step 3, my daily routine. Here's what a normal day looks like for me. Morning, deliver Fiverr gigs, respond to clients. Afternoon, record 2 to 3 short videos for TikTok, YouTube. Evening, check affiliate dashboard and tweak strategy. That's it. No long hours, no stress, just smart, consistent action. Bonus, mistakes to avoid. I wasted a lot of time doing this the wrong way. Here are 3 things to avoid if you want to make real money online. Don't chase every new shiny method. Don't expect fast results without putting in real work. Don't give up after your first few failures. Everyone starts slow. Alright, I have given you all you need to know, so get started. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on how to get clients on Fiverr or how I find winning affiliate products. Like, comment, I'm in. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm your updates guy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.